Hey guys, it's Alex from 7th Floor Vapes, and today we're going to show you how to use the Buddha Vaporizer. The DBV is a desktop dry herb and concentrate vaporizer. The DBV uses a ceramic heating element and convection heat, which produces even vaporization. The DBV uses glass-on-glass components for the best flavor and is made from airplane-grade aluminum. Use of the DBV is pretty straightforward. First, remove your Buddha unit from its packaging. Next, grab your whip, wand, and mouthpiece. Plug the unit in and turn it on high. Now, set up your whip system by attaching the mouthpiece and the wand to either end of the silicone tube. Next, you want to grind up the herb of your choosing. Once your herb is ground up, load it into your wand. There are two ways to do this. Use a piece of paper to funnel it in, or you can use the mouthpiece to vacuum up the dried herbs. Keep in mind, if you want to use concentrates, just load the concentrates on top of the herb after it's been loaded. Once your wand is loaded up, reduce the heat to 12 o'clock and wait 90 seconds for it to cool down to reach optimal vaporization temperature. Be mindful of your heat settings when trying to find what's best for you. Now, place your ground glass wand in the heater cover of the DBV. It should fit snugly for hands-free use. Beware not to put your ground glass wand in too far because the glass does expand when heated. Next, draw on the mouthpiece to begin vaping. A slower draw means hotter air, which means bigger clouds. However, if there's too much heat and you draw too slowly, you might risk combustion. Remember to stir your bowl every so often with the pick that comes with the unit. This maximizes your product and guarantees even vaporization. Once your herb is used up, you will no longer produce clouds. Now that you're finished vaping, remove the wand, stir the bowl, and then use the mouthpiece to blow the ABV into a duff jar or another receptacle. This allows you to use your ABV for things like cooking or making tinctures. Now that you're finished vaping, we're going to show you how to properly store your DBV. First, allow the unit to cool. Put it back in the bag provided and zip it up. Now, remove the mouthpiece and wand from the hose and place it back in the bag. Well, that covers how to use the DBV. If you enjoyed your Buddha, please check out our full line of products at 7thfloorvapes.com. There, you can find things like our flagship Silver Surfer Vaporizer or our Super Surfer, which features a vapor bag setup, full graphic customization, and super awesome party lights. Well, that's it for me. I'm Alex. Thanks for watching.